Hi, I'm Colin Shantz with Copper Tree Solutions. Thanks for joining us today as we talk about managed IT services. Some of the things to look for when you're comparing managed services vendors are, do they have a good strategy and do they have a good process? Ultimately, what will get you success from a managed service relationship is somebody that has a good process and can consistently deliver a specific outcome. And what is their goal? What are the outcomes that they're shooting for? One of the challenges that I see, and I see this when I talk to various different clients and I talk to them at different stages as they're trying to make these decisions, is they'll tell me, you guys all look the same. I talked to 3 different vendors and they all came in and they all said a lot of the same words, and they all, it's very difficult for me to really see the difference between the different vendors. And yet there's some vendors that are almost half the cost of other vendors. And I know it's not the same, but it's challenging to truly see the differentiators. And typically, what I'll recommend is you need to dig a little bit beneath the surface. So anybody can come in and say they're going to be proactive, but what does that really mean for your organization? What are the proactive tasks that they do on a regular basis? And what are the outcomes that they expect to see from those tasks? Or maybe they'll say, yeah, we do monitoring of your systems. Well, what does that really mean for your organization? And what are they monitoring? What happens when something triggers an alert? How quickly do they get that resolved? And big picture, what are the KPIs that they use to measure success? I ask business leaders all the time how they measure success in IT. And oftentimes they'll tell me, well, we don't really measure it. It's kind of a factor of, are people happy or are they having issues that they need to deal with? And what we've kind of boiled that down to in our organization is one of the key KPIs we measure is the number of issues that you're having in a given month. So if you have 50 people and your team overall is putting in 50 reactive tickets over the course of a month, you've got a lot of problems. And if we can take that and cut it down to, say, a quarter of that, it gives you an entirely different experience. So I think the biggest things you need to look for as you're comparing those vendors is, what is their strategy and what is the plan and what are the actions that they take on a regular basis to get you to that point where everything just works. As you're going through the process of trying to figure out which managed service partner to pick, you're going to notice that there's a couple different business models out there and also a couple different pricing models. The most common ones are based on users. Might be so much a user, maybe so much per device. And you're going to see that there's a variety of prices out there. There's some that are half as much as others, and you got to ask yourself, really big picture, what do I need as an organization, and what are my goals as an organization? And quite frankly, you get what you pay for with a managed service provider. So if you're looking at 2 vendors and one vendor is half as much as the other vendor, that it's going to be a different type of service. It's not going to be exactly the same. When I look at the marketplace out there today, most of the vendors that are doing a good job are in the same kind of price range. So if you're looking at a couple different vendors, then you've got a few that are within the same range, and then maybe some that are a little bit lower. Typically what that means is that the lower cost vendor is more of a reactive provider. They're not investing the time to be truly proactive. They're not doing the work in the background to make sure that your organization is going to be safe, that you're going to be secure. They just don't have the time to do the truly proactive work. And so, you want to make sure that you're investing enough to be able to achieve the results that you want, which most of our clients are telling us what they really want from technology is for everything to just work. They want to have the right tools in place, and they want to sleep at night knowing that their risks are managed. As you go through the process of selecting a managed service vendor, it can be challenging to evaluate the different offerings that are in front of you. Oftentimes you might look at them and say, they're all saying kind of the same things, and I'm not sure which one to pick. Everybody seems to be nice people. I think I could work with any of them. Which one is really the best vendor for me as an organization? And I always encourage people to really dig into more than just the surface level of, surface category of services. So everybody you talk to is going to tell you that they will do some form of proactive planning. They'll do some form of maintenance. They'll do some kind of monitoring, and they'll do some support. But really dig into that and understand, what exactly does that mean? When you think about a big picture strategy, how often do they meet with you? What exactly do you discuss as you're going through that process? Ask them for an example of some of the strategic planning that they do. Can they show you how they work with you on a regular basis? What is the report that you get at that quarterly VCIO meeting that will show you the health of your infrastructure and where you need to go going forward? The other thing to look at is the proactive maintenance. So how often does it happen? What exactly are they doing? And what are the results that you should expect? And probably finally, a good question to ask is, what are the KPIs that you use to measure success in the services that you deliver? For our organization, one of the KPIs we use is the number of issues that you have. If we can drive down the number of issues that you have, you're going to end up in a spot where you're pretty happy. I'm Colin Shantz from Coppertree Solutions. Thanks for joining us today as we talk about managed IT services. If you have any questions, visit our website at coppertreesolutions.ca to connect with us.